You're a video game expert, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, I will say the names of some video games, and you give me a one-word description.
Sounds like fun.
BioShock,
Plasmids,
Saints Row,
Afro,
Puzzle Quest.
Skulls.
Dot. That does not make any sense.
Yes, it does. I am an expert.
Elder Scrolls, Oblivion,
Vampire.
Vampire. You are a tremendous nerd.
Negative. I am a wizard. You should be careful.
Dance Central,
SWAT. Sweat. Yes, sweat.
The Dishwasher, Vampire Smile,
Bloodfest.
El Noir.
Oh. Notepad.
That will be a very exciting game. Wow, you get to use a notepad. How extreme. Gears of War.
Oh, that is a good song.
What about the game, you idiot?
Gears of War. Megadeth. Woohoo.